No joke. I just got the invite to Clubhouse, and it is going to change real estate. It's going to change marketing. It's going to change your business forever. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 ways that I found you as a mortgage professional, real estate professional can leverage Clubhouse to grow your business. Crazy things are coming. If you want to learn how, we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the Channel Junkies. In this channel, I teach real estate professionals exactly how to grow monster real estate YouTube channels for free leads. One of those channels we built this year did $40 million in sales. We teach it all for free in this channel, so if you are brand new, make sure you tap that subscribe button, click the little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. All right, so Clubhouse. Yes, I got the invite, and I was like, what is this? Like, everybody's talking about it. Could it fizzle out and die? Absolutely, it could. I enjoy, obviously, platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. They're never going away. Is this going to be the biggest, new big platform? It definitely has the potential. If you know me, you know I like one thing: search engines. Places where people can go in and search things. Well, right there at the Clubhouse app, you go right in and it says keywords. So you want to learn about marketing, you want to learn about relationships, whatever it is, you can do that. And there's a lot of celebrities on here, so I definitely think celebrities are going to take the cake on this and really be able to find some opportunities to grow their brand, their business. But for real estate professionals, mortgage professionals, I had a couple of ideas that I really think could work. For me personally, or you, if you have something that you can market or help other real estate agents, a way that you've been able to get business and market that is one way that you can go out and create these rooms to where you can bring other real estate professionals and mortgage professionals to talk about this stuff. So let's first talk about what Clubhouse is, in my opinion, and the ways that you can leverage it to grow your business. So first of all, it's basically it's like a podcast where everybody can listen to you and join in. Right with the click of a button, you can go in and join any room. And yeah, I've been in there with the game, dude. My homie, the game. Yes, you can join right in with celebrities, anybody, but you can listen in. So when it comes to maybe growing your business, you can actually get into some of these marketing groups and you can raise your hand, ask questions. Now, I go live on YouTube and I do that, right on this channel, but this is another way for you to really get that answer quickly. The one thing I found, with the Facebooks and the YouTube, sometimes when I get way too many questions, I will get to your question way down at the bottom. You might already be gone. I get to them all still, and you can listen to it. But if you get what I'm saying, this is a little bit more direct. If you're raising your hand and I select you, boom, you're right there. You're asking me a question, and we're talking. And it's back and forth instead of you ask a question and I'm kind of caught off guard with it. And so with that, I also see the aspect of, people don't have to get made up or done up, do their makeup, hair, any of that. It's all behind the scenes. It's just voiced through the phone. So the cool thing is, you can do a lot of collabs and stuff with people and talk and really get your topic, your point across and have a huge sea of followers and listeners. So yes, followers, that's another thing. As this continues to grow, you can build out your follower base, and this is something that ties in with Instagram. I actually had to log in with my Instagram, Facebook account, so now you can start pulling followers over and they can actually start talking with you. So you as a real estate professional, how do you use this? Well, if you can start getting some of your followers or building out Clubhouse to when it actually releases out to the public, you could actually start building rooms where maybe you're doing those first-time home buyer programs or what you need to know in purchasing a home. And these people can now come in and join and listen, and it's not intrusive. They can sit there and just listen. And if they want to ask a question, they can. They don't have to go to some seminar. They don't have to go to Topgolf and be, wined and dined or any of that. It's just, hey, if you want this information, that is one way to do it. So the cool thing about it is you set a reminder, you set timers, you set these notifications, and every single one of your followers is notified. And if you do start a room and go live, boom, right there on their phone, they get notified and they can come and join you. So that is the power of this. The second thing I see, with real estate professionals is we have referrals going everywhere. In fact, 32 million people are moving and purchasing homes this year, 8 times more than any time in the history of the United States. So there's going to be a lot of referrals going back and forth. So you could actually start building referral network groups in Clubhouse. hey, real estate club or real estate referral group. And what you could do is just bring a couple different realtors from different states that you're partners or friends with, and you guys could talk about your markets and referrals and who's going across state, who's coming into your state, and having all these followers, and it comes up as the real estate referral network. It could be a great way, I think, for a lot of referrals and at least bit like partnerships to start up. And with that, it's like swapping information, swapping numbers, and guess what? Like all your information is below. People can message you and stuff as well. So I just see it as a big platform to meet a lot of other real estate professionals, learn how to grow your business, and be able to ask questions personally. And maybe down the road, it's create those rooms for the buyers, for the home sellers coming up soon, how you can sell your house. And now just a quick tutorial through the Clubhouse app. When you bring it up to your home screen, you're gonna see, a bunch of different groups and open rooms that you can join. And the one thing that I like is up on the top left, if you were to select that, that's where you can actually search by keyword. So real estate marketing, how to buy a house maybe in the future. That's where you can go and search, find these groups. That is awesome. I love search bars where people can find me. This is also where you can go in and find other people, other marketing influencers, other real estate professionals, so that you can go in and soak up some of their information and start asking them questions personally. Have you ever listened to these podcasts and stuff and tried to DM these people or message these people and you just can't get a hold of them, but you loved the content they did maybe on a podcast? That's a way that now you can join their room and listen to them and start asking them questions. So I do know that, once this conversation is done it actually goes away. So it's not saved or anything. But the other thing that I found on the home screen that I like, you have the notification bell that lets you know everything is coming, but you can also have a little calendar there. So you can start pinning and saving some of the chats and the groups that you want to be a part of. And so when you click on that, you can build out this calendar. You can also tie this to your calendar. So when you build out a room, what you're going to want to do is, explain what the room's about, when it is, and then you can actually say, hey, add this to your calendar. There's 4 little options on the bottom, and the very far right one, it says add to your calendar. So you can actually tie this in. So imagine that down the road when you have all these followers and maybe you're doing a daily Clubhouse talk and it's for selling your home or first-time home buyers or whatever it is. They can actually start attaching it to their calendar and they'll be notified, when this is coming up. Or, with your referral network groups, everybody's going to show up with these invites. I think that's really powerful. We all know that we lose our minds and we don't remember what's going on. But if that reminder hits, it's like, oh yeah. And so we'll be more in tune and we'll be more likely to join those rooms. And then the next thing, the very top right, you'll see your pretty little mug up there. You can add any picture that you want. I was messing with it at first and kind of had a smaller one and you couldn't see it. So really get a good picture so people can, put a face to the name or to the voice. But there you can actually add a bio, kind of like the Instagram bio, but I think it's way easier to read. And I think it's more like a LinkedIn bio. You have a lot of room in there to put, what you do, where you're from, how to contact you, those kind of things as well. So with all the information there and it being a search tool, I see it pretty valuable going forward. I don't know if it's going to last. It could fizzle out or it could just absolutely explode. I know the buzz right now is making it explode, but you never know. It could be like Marco Polo or some of these other ones that just fell. So I don't want to be one that's left, coming up months, years later and trying to catch up, like the Instagrams and all that, where it's so hard to get all these followers. This could be something you get into easy right now and gain those followers. With that being said, these are the videos now that are popping up that are gonna help you explode your YouTube real estate channel. Start clicking on those and you will be well on your way. And until the next video, we'll catch you later.